Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Entertainment, bringing you this entertainment before you even knew entertainment. But I do drive this truck, and I'm going to Charlotte today, so that's what I'll be doing. But for right now, we're stopping at Sheetz, because I want to grab me one of these smoothies they got in here, which is really, really good. They got these smoothies, man, and I'll be killing them joints. So without further ado, let me show y'all how that works. Y'all ready? Let's do it. All right, so they got them all in here, all the different flavors or whatever. Now, I've tried the Sour Patch and the strawberry banana one so far, but man, I want to try one of these like milkshake ones, but I know I don't do well with dairy, so I don't know if I want to do that. But it's so small though, but I don't know. Let's see. This Oreo looks straight, bro. I'm telling you. I don't know. I can't mess with it, B. I can't do it. We're gonna stick with the Sour Patch. Let's do that. Okay, so you gotta take the top off real quick. Boom, like so. Then put it in this machine, just like that. And I like mine's less thick. Pause. Just like that. All right, just like that, they make the smoothie for you, just like that. So let me pay for this and we'll get into the truck real quick. Hold up. Over here at IKEA. Hopefully I just interrupted one of these random videos I'm about to do, but I'm out here at IKEA out here in Charlotte, North Carolina. And like I said, man, I know y'all getting tired of that crazy background. I got just random Funko Pops and stuff. So we're gonna look for those sneaker shelves, like those, I forgot what they're called, but you see them in a lot of other people's videos. But we're gonna see if we can find those shelves here and pick them up. I'm actually at work and my job got me in Charlotte today, so stop by IKEA to see if I can cop those. So without further ado, let's go up in here and see if we can catch them. Yeah, man, I'm out here. We are out here at IKEA. Like I said, man, let's hopefully can find these joints. I see Jumpman Chris had them before, and Tony's got them in his background and whatever. But this place is so big, I'm literally gonna have to ask for help. So let's try and see if we can find those things. I'll be right back. Walking around this place for like 30 minutes. We finally found them. They're called lac shelves. Now these are the white ones, and these are like the blackish brown ones or whatever, but we don't need none of that. All I want is the white ones. Just two white ones in the background. Hopefully you guys agree with that. It'll look dope for the channel. Without further ado, let's do it. On deck, yo, we got them. We definitely picked up a pair. I hate vlogging on the phone, I swear, but I'm trying. But yeah, we did get them. I'll throw these things in the work truck real quick and bring them to the crib and set them up, man. See y'all later.
One eternity later.
Dude, I have no idea what's going on. All right, YouTube. So for right now, I'm gonna cut this video right now because I have to really do some digging. There's literally no instructions. I'm looking online at photos. This came with no instructions. So come on, Amazon, y'all are bugging. Like, I got pieces of stuff everywhere. I really have to get this done. So let me cut this short real quick, and I'll probably come back sooner or later, because this is just not working without instructions. All right, peace. too. So I hope you guys enjoyed that whole thing, that whole rundown that we just did. That was just crazy, bro. Y'all seen me over there at IKEA. Y'all seen me get my drinks right here. I'm still, yo, this is like a week later, man. This is how crazy. I'm sorry. That's where I've been. I've been trying to build this up for you guys, man, so we can have a better background. You know what I mean? It is what it is. And then I've been trying to get this lighting correctly. Like, it's just weird. I got 2 lights coming at me, so let me know if this is a little bit more clear for you guys, because trust me, in a few months, y'all about to see. Hey, listen, we going in 4K. We got to go in 4K. We have to. Like, we will be in 4K. We're gonna make this thing crispy. I mean, super crispy. I'm talking about Marquez Brown crispy. Like, you feel me? That's how we're gonna be doing it. I'm gonna get some pictures back here pretty soon. Hold on, I already got one. Let me show y'all real quick. Captain America right here. This is hard. I really like this. Shout out to Erica for coming through and bringing this for your boy, man. This is really dope, man. This is going on the wall. I got another Spider-Man picture that I want to put up there, and yeah, man. That's what we got going on, man. We also got, what's this, February? We got All-Star Weekend coming up. I think it's, next weekend, which is crazy. Be Valentine's Day, everybody out there. So now that we got a new setup and everything, whole new setup, let me know if y'all like this. Do y'all want to see sneaker news? I think I asked this like every video. No one really responds. They be like, whatever. Anywho, we do have a new setup, and we got better light system going on here. Let me know if you guys like it. But without further ado, we're going to end on that note. It's your boy, Mr. Entertainment, still bringing you this entertainment before you even knew entertainment, y'all. Peace.